about one more topic from the chapter Human Reproduction. So this topic is your gestation period. Gestation period is a very tiny topic, but when we talk about the NEET examination, this topic is also very important because हर साल NEET examination में एक ना एक question आपका gestation period से आता ही है. So we always say that there are certain topics which you have to understand. At the same time, you have to memorize also, right? So gestation period is one of the topic where you will have to actually learn that in which month of pregnancy, what are the organs which are being developed. According to that, you can easily answer about the gestation period, okay? So let's get started and let's get this topic into our hand. Alright, so when we talk about the gestation period, ये exactly एक average duration है human pregnancy का, which is about 9 months, okay? और जो average आपका amount होता है, average days होते हैं human pregnancy के, which is like 9 months, those 9 months where the embryonic development takes place, overall, it's known as your gestation period, okay? So gestation period is actually different for different organisms, right? When we talk about mammals, it is 9 months or you can call it 38 weeks or 266 days, right? Whereas if I talk about the dog, the gestation period is 60 to 65 days. Whereas for Asian elephant, it's 18 to 22 months. For a cat, it is 52 to 65 days. For horse, it is 11 to 12 months. And for a cow, it is 279 to 287 days, okay? So as I told you, for different organisms, the gestation period can be different. Now, the most important point of the gestation period, where we will understand that in which week of the pregnancy or in which trimester, what are the organs that gets developed during the gestation period, okay? So here we have it. Formation of the organs, and here is the developmental period, which is most important. First of all, let's talk about the formation of the heart. Formation of the heart takes place after 1 month of the pregnancy, okay? Now, if I talk about limbs and digits of the baby, so they get developed at the end of the 2nd month, right? Now, well development of limbs and external genitalia. So, this gets developed by the end of the 12 weeks, which is your end of first trimester, right? So, first trimester is end of 3 months, or you can say it by the end of 12 weeks, right? Movement of the fetus, appearance of hair on the head, this takes place in the 5th month, which is in the 2nd trimester. Then eyelids get separated, formation of the eyelashes, appearance of body hair. This takes place by the end of 24 weeks or by the end of 6 months, you can say, or by the end of 2nd trimester. And ultimately, when is the baby ready for delivery? This happens at the end of 9th month or by the end of 3rd trimester. So these are the most important things that you have to remember when it comes to gestation period, okay? And regarding this only, regarding certain topics only, the questions come most of the time in the NEET examination. That is, the development and formation of organs takes place when, okay, or about their developmental period. So now that you have understood exactly about the gestation period, let's try to solve one question about it. You have to tell me, in human beings at the end of the 12 weeks, or which we can call the 5th trimester of pregnancy, we can call it the 1st trimester of pregnancy, the following is observed. What exactly happens at the end of 1st trimester or 12 weeks, okay? So you can actually pause the video and think about the answer, okay? After understanding the gestation period, I am pretty sure that you will be able to give me this answer. Yes, by the end of the 1st trimester, most of the major organs are formed because heart is formed, limbs and the digits are formed, okay? And then also full development of the limbs and external genitalia also takes place. So most of the major organs are actually formed by the end of 1st trimester, right? So that was it about the gestation period, and that is how just within like 5 minutes we have covered one topic, and I'm pretty sure if you are done with this topic properly, at least 4 marks are under your pocket when it comes to NEET examination. So I hope that you liked this session, and thank you so much.